Hello, my dear students. Now is the last portion on this chapter 7, changing cultural tradition. Changing from one into another, from the old pattern of thinking into new pattern of thinking, from old pattern of life into new pattern of life, from old style of learning into new style of learning. This new type of learning was a blessing of humanism. Humanist thinkers, teachers, they gave a new sight of life to the people. Previously, the church used to teach that God created the world and people are living in the world. Which world? That is called earth. People populated the earth and began to reside on the earth. Church taught that earth is a planet and it was a fixed planet. Fixed, was not moving. All other planets in the universe were moving, centering the earth. If anyone objected to this type of theory of rotation, those people were punished. Because church said earth is fixed planet and all other planets were rotating around the earth. Now the question comes, how earth was a fixed planet or was to be taken as a fixed planet? How? According to the teaching of the church, it says that life of the people is sinful. The burden of the sin of the human being was so much that earth became heavy and was unable to rotate. So earth was fixed planet and it was stationary because of the burden of sin of human beings. That was a religious teaching, fine. During the 15th century, it was Copernicus. He was an astronomer, one who studied the universe. That is called astronomer. He was an astronomer. While he was studying the movement of sun, moon, stars, all other planets, he found out that earth also was moving. And the fixed planet was sun. S-U-N, sun. Sun was immovable. And all other planets, including the earth, was moving around the sun. His discovery, he wrote in his book called The Rotation. He wrote the book, The Rotation. T-I-O-N. His discovery he wrote in detail how earth was not fixed, rather moving. After writing or finding this truth on universe, he could not publish his theory. He could not show this book to the church members or any other member in the society because according to the church teaching, earth was not moving. But according to the discovery of Copernicus, earth also was moving along with other planets. This truth he could not disclose. Why? Because he was afraid that he would be killed by the church members because of this new theory of rotation, he would be called a heretic, a faithless man who had no belief in God. That's why he could not publish it. Subsequently, some more scientists discovered the same truth, that Earth was not fixed but was moving around like the other planets. So next such scientist name I write here called John Kepler. He was also an astronomer, and his discovery he wrote in his book called Cosmographical Mystery. Cosmographical Mystery. Cosmos means universe. So relating the story to cosmos or universe, Kepler also proved and supported the discovery of Copernicus, that Earth was not fixed. Another astronomer, his name was called Galileo Galilei. He also studied the movement of planets and stars of the universe and affirmed that the discovery of Copernicus was true, that sun was fixed, all other planets were moving around the sun. And Galileo also wrote down his discovery in his book called The Motion. My dear students, now look here. God created the world, God created human beings, and the church leaders preached, taught the people that we people are living on earth which was not moving, it was fixed planet, all other planets were moving around the sun. All were moving around the earth, but the scientists like Copernicus, John Kepler, Galileo, and many more are there who proved with firm conviction that Earth was like any other planets moving around the sun. Not only that, John Kepler in his discovery added one more point of the rotation of the planets. What was it? John Kepler said all the planets were moving around the sun, it is true, but not in a circular position. All the planets were moving in elliptical. That means not fully circular, elliptical, little bended position and moving around the sun. In this way, this new discovery of the rotation of planets brought a new knowledge, new world of understanding to the life of human beings, that God is there, that is true, but nature has got its own rules and regulations which should not be cut off by the theological or religious theory. In this way, my dear children, this chapter, which has given a wider knowledge of new ideas called changing of cultural traditional ideas into new ideas, that we have come to know, and today we have come to know by virtue of further scientific development many more new ideas and forming our life, leading our life. I wish you read the whole chapter once again, have a tremendous good deep knowledge of the changing of thoughts from old into new, and make yourself also a modern boy and girl to adapt to any type of revolutionary ideas in future to come. Thank you very much.